I joined the Royal Australian Navy in Melbourne on the 6th of June 1960. I was 17. I spent 5 years at sea. It was mostly peacetime. We were at sea with the CSIRO doing plankton tows and hydrology. It was fantastic. We saw stuff that nobody had seen before, but what we saw is still classified. My favourite ship was HMAS Diamantina. Not many people know of the Diamantina, but it was a gem. It was the pride of the fleet in Western Australia. Everyone knew each other. The crew were like a big family. We called it McHale's Navy. The officers mixed with everybody from the junior recruits to the captain. While sailing up the west coast, we went fishing. We had a unique way of fishing. We used a £1 scare charge. These were let off and a boat crew went around and picked up the fish, which floated to the surface. Fresh fish for dinner. And what was left over, the CSIRO checked over. Some nights we went ashore on small islands looking for turtles and tagging and weighing them. I was drafted off the Diamantina to HMAS Vendetta. I was disappointed in leaving the small ship. It was hard transferring with the different rules and regulations, and from hammocks to beds. In hammocks we swayed along with the boat. It was beautiful. It would sway you to sleep, but in a bed we had to be strapped in so we didn't fall out. It was an experience you would never forget, with the tide rising and falling up to 20 feet, between high and low. If you went ashore on a high tide and came back on the low tide, you would have to look for your ship below the wharf.